Hi everybody, Lois Threlkeld here with the Ladies of Justice League. We are on episode 6 of our Fastest Paths to Cash. Episode 6, what is lease option real estate? Here we go.
What is the lease option strategy of buying a house? Think of a lease option as the try before you buy of the real estate world. It's like renting a super nice place, but with a secret door to becoming the owner if you want. Here's how the magic happens. Number 1, you have a lease agreement. So you sign a lease just like when you rent any house. You agree to pay rent each month and follow all the usual rental rules. Number 2, you have an option to buy. But wait, there's more. This lease comes with an extra perk, the option to buy the place later. This means you have the cool chance to buy the house at a price that's set in stone, even if the house's value goes up. Number 3, test the waters. While you're renting, you can test drive the house. You can see if the neighborhood is awesome, if the house fits your lifestyle, and if you can actually picture yourself staying there long term. Number 4, future plans. Let's say you decide, hey, I really like this place. You can decide to buy it during a set time, usually a few years. It's like giving yourself time to decide if you're ready to commit to home ownership. Number 5, save as you go. The cool part? Some of the rent money that you pay each month might go toward the future purchase of that home. It's like building up a little treasure chest for the day you decide to buy. Number 6, you have to know the deal. But here's the friendly tip. Lease options can be a bit like puzzles, and every puzzle has different pieces. You need to know things like the rental terms, the purchase price, and the timeline for making your decision. It's smart to chat with a friendly expert like your real estate attorney to make sure you're clear on everything. Remember, lease options can be an awesome way to get closer to home ownership while giving yourself time to make sure it's the right move for you. Just be sure you read the magical contract, have your attorney review the magical contract and explain it to you very carefully, and you can ask questions. And if you're not sure about anything, you don't have to commit. Happy house hunting. Make sure you visit us at ladiesofjusticeleague.com, and let's stay in touch. This is Lois Threlkeld. Happy investing.
All right, please make sure you hit the like button. Please, I'd love to hear your comments, questions, and feel free to share this video with your fellow real estate investors or people who are looking to rent houses. And I'm Lois Threlkeld, League, ladiesofjusticeleague.com. Take care.